Hazrat Sayyar bin Salama reports, I and my father both went to Hazrat Abu Barza Aslami radiyallahu anhu, and my father said, how did Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform obligatory prayer? He said, he would perform the noon prayer, which you call the first prayer, at the time when the sun was past the meridian, and perform the Asr prayer at a time when, if any one of us would go to outskirts of Madinah Munawwara and then return to his dwelling, he would find the sun still bright. And I forgot what he said about the Maghrib prayer, and he would like delay in the Isha prayer, which you call Atama, and dislike to sleep before it, and hold talk after it. And he would finish the Fajr prayer at a time when a man could recognize the other man sitting beside him, and recite 60 to 100 verses in it. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 547.